Ever wondered what information technology really means? It's not just about fancy computers or coding. Think of it as the entire system we use to store, retrieve, and send information. It's the digital backbone of our modern world, and it works a lot like the human body. Let's start with the hardware. This is all the physical stuff you can touch: the computer case, the monitor, the keyboard. Inside, you have the CPU, which is like the brain of the operation, doing all the thinking. Then there's RAM, which acts like short-term memory, holding on to whatever you're currently working on. The motherboard is the skeleton that connects everything together. Just like a car's engine, the hardware provides the raw power, but it can't do anything on its own. That's where software comes in. Software is the set of instructions that tells the hardware what to do. It's the mind that brings the body to life. Your operating system, your web browser, your favorite game, that's all software. Without it, your powerful computer is just a very expensive paperweight. Software gives the hardware purpose and direction. So, how do all these individual bodies and minds talk to each other? Through the network. This is the nervous system of the digital world. The internet, servers, and Wi-Fi are all parts of this vast network. It lets data travel across the globe in milliseconds, connecting billions of devices and people. It's how a message sent from New York can appear instantly on a phone in Tokyo. But what's the ultimate goal of all this tech? It's all about us, the human element. IT exists to solve human problems. It helps doctors manage patient data to save lives, connects families across continents, and delivers endless entertainment right to our screens. Technology is a tool created by people, for people. And the future of IT is even more exciting. We're moving towards things like artificial intelligence and cloud computing. This means technology is becoming smarter, more integrated, and almost invisible. It's no longer just a box on your desk. It's becoming a seamless part of our environment, always there to assist us. The digital world is constantly evolving, and we're just scratching the surface of what's possible. Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech deep dives. See you in the next one.